France.
Tell them what kind of 3 days you've had.
I've had hell.
Why?
I've had 10 hours sleep in 3 nights.
Why?
Because
First night?
kids,
Second night?
dog and band.
Third night?
Third night, coughing,
Floor. Sleeping on the floor.
sleeping on the floor.
Doing young man stuff when he's an old man.
Yes, doesn't help. Because you see, your head is still young, right? And it says, of course, you've slept in -20 on a mat in a tent, you know what I mean?
When you were young.
When I was young. Yeah, so it's going to be a doddle. Wasn't a doddle.
Wasn't a doddle.
No. And that's all I'm saying on that subject.
Well, we're heading off to France. The men are in the back seat. The men are going to be in the back seat because they're going to listen to the cricket and the football, and then they're going to sleep.
Cricket, because they're a bit dodgy at the moment.
And then sleep.
Yeah, sleep. Well, we'll do a bit of that.
See you later. It's French. It's got to be French. Put your ticket this way. No, on the window thing, on the dashboard. I knew. Look at the Christmas tree. Is this a British Christmas tree or a French one?
That's a French one.
A French one. Ooh. And we've got the fire going, the roaring fire, with a massive trunk on. Where's that come from?
French one.
The tree trunk?
No. Hello. Oh.
Do you want to be in my vlog? Can I film you for my vlog or not?
Yes, of course you can.
There you go.
A delightful bottle of gin.
Scottish gin. Scottish gin. None of your rubbish from England. From your dear friends, yes.
What a present! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Now the funny thing is that if this was England, there's a big drop down here. Can you see? Makes you feel a bit queasy. But if this was England, you'd have to have a railing there to stop you, to protect you. But they don't do that here. Well, this is new.
This is new.
I've seen it's new, yeah. An art shop come. Curries and patties, Indian patties. Extra virgin oil. Happy New Year, everybody. I'm in France and it's absolutely wonderful here. Look at the tree. We've got beautiful lights around here and here as well. Glittering lights. To midnight in France, but it's actually 10 minutes to 11 in England. And these old gadgets are wanting to go to bed. They're all shattered. They're all wanting to go to bed. So I bought them a little present. It's called Sparklers! Sparklers! So good. They can't go to bed until midnight. I've told them they've got to stay up and play with their sparklers.
At pub, I'm not playing with my sparkler in public.
Oh, Brian, can I not play with yours?
You're not playing with my sparkler now.
Oh.
So they're going to celebrate New Year 2020 with some sparklers. No, it's not midnight yet. It's midnight in, let's see how many. 3 minutes.
We're out 3 minutes early. I'll see if I find another candle to stop.
Can't see the sky so much tonight, but it was really bright last night. I've got to get another one.
We've got our sparklers.
What are we now, Micheline?
23.59. 23.59 in France. It's only 22.59 in England.
And the frost is
Ready?
starting to settle on the cars.
23.59.
Oh, somebody's cheering.
Bon année! Bon année! Bon année! Come on! Oh, quick! Oh, they put them out!
What's
Where's the matches? Matches, man. Happy New Year to everybody. Happy New Year. We're still waiting to light the sparklers. Happy belated New Year.
You got them.
The man with the plan didn't have a plan at all.
Old acquaintance be forgot and brought to mind.
Should old acquaintance
Be forgot for the sake of all.
No.
Matches are going out. For all lang syne, my dear.
For old lang syne,
We'll take a cup of kindness for the sake of old lang syne.
Yay!
Go on.
Hey! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Bonne année, bonne année, bonne année. Bonne année. Bonne année. Does anybody want some more? Because I seem to have an awful lot here. I've got three.
I don't think I can cope with
Bonne année.
Happy. Oops, cat spell.
We'll start again. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot for the sake of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness for the sake of old lang syne. Well, it's 8 minutes past midnight. It's 2020, and we've all set our firelighters, we're sparklers off, and now they all want to go to bed. And it's a good job they're not in the UK, because it would only be 8 minutes past 11. But they're all saying they want to go to bed.
We've been up for at least 12 hours.
So we'll say over and out to you. Do you want to say anything to them?
We have a song in England which is aimed at people with strange hats, and it goes something like this. Where did you get that hat? Where did you get that hat?
Where? Come on, then.
I don't know the rest.
I would like to have one just the same as that.
Oh yes.
Well, where did you get that hat? Where did you get that hat? I can't sing it. So, the lady with the hat would like to say something to you.
Happy New Year. I hope it's a peaceful and healthy and enjoyable New Year. I know how to treat my friends. Come and stay with me for New Year and freeze. Look, blankets, everybody.
She's got about 3 coats on. He's got his hat on to cover his head. He's freezing and I'm covered with the blankets.
We're just preparing for when climate change means that nobody's got any heating. We're prepared. We're ahead of the game.
So we'll see you on tomorrow morning, today, this morning, later on. Bye.